Hello, Jana Hilton here. So today I'm going to tackle the whole entire kitchen. I'm not going to organize and go through all of the cupboards, but really I want to just get a good cleaning on the countertops and get everything put away as far as clutter. And I have a whole to-do list to do, so I'll show that in just a minute. But have you ever been so bored of doing the dishes, or you're just not in the mood to clean your house? I have discovered motivational videos like this to help me get through those hard times, especially me being a stay-at-home mom. It has been so incredibly motivating that I have this source that I can go to. So I put lots and lots of awesome music to keep it upbeat and fast forward my videos. But if you really want real time, let me know and I will do that. So my videos are a little bit longer, but for now, this is what you get, and I hope you enjoy it. So happy cleaning our kitchen together.
Hey guys, so this is my to-do list, and I'm going to tackle the counter clutter. I'm going to do the dishes and wash by hand whatever needs to be done in the stove, the microwave, the sink, the fridge, the table, sweep the floor, and mop. I had a package come in the mail from Amazon, Barkeeper's Friend Cooktop Cleaner, and so it broke inside the package, so I'm just gonna use that all over my kitchen however I need it. And then I'm starting with the dishes, and I'm using this Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. It's really good and I love the smell. I think it's called lemon verbata or something like that, but I've really enjoyed the Mrs. Meyer's edition, especially laundry soap and all the bathroom products that they have. I really do pay for it when I don't put a little baggie inside my crock pot. But yeah, it's soaking right now in the sink, so I have to wait for that, and then I'll have to clean it and then dry it. But that's the cooktop cleaner, and I put it all over my stove, and I'm just letting it sit to soak in, and I'll be wiping it down in just a few minutes.
So listen close, hear my thoughts in every note. know. Make me your radio and turn me up when you feel low.
Turn it up a little bit.
Was meant for you.
I don't know what it is, but water gets everywhere. I think I just picked the wrong kind of faucet. I'm not sure, but it just gets behind the faucet. It gets everywhere. So I don't know. Maybe next time when this one wears out, then I'll choose a different kind closer to the sink so it doesn't get water everywhere and I don't take a bath every time I do the dishes. But nothing is like a clean sink, especially with just cleaning it with dish soap and scrubbing it down, rinsing it off with water. It is so simple, but it smells so good and makes such a difference in your kitchen.
So sing along to my
Make you understand. If you can hit it, sing along and take it by the head. Just keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite tune. You know my heart's stereo, the only place for you.
stereo. So you so listen close. I'm not in every note. Make me your radio. Turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you. So sing along to my stereo. To my stereo. So sing along to my stereo. I only pray you'll never leave me behind. Because good music can be so hard to find.
So hard to find.
I'll take your hand and hold it closer to mine.
Yeah.
My love is never not a change.
As you can see, I'm going back to the sink to wash out my rag over and over again because I have to wipe down the countertops like 10 times, I swear. It took so long to get those suckers clean, but finally they came clean and all was well. After I let the cooktop cleaner sit for a while on the stove, I put the little bar things in, I don't know what they're called, in the dishwasher so they could get it added extra cleaning. And then I took the little, I don't know what they are. They're like iron on top. Anyways, you'll see me pull it off. But I put those in the dishwasher so those could get cleaned too. But yeah, I really love the cooktop cleaner. It actually cleans really, really well. And then at the very end, I always love to spray everything down with like a Windex or some sort of window cleaner, just because it just gets all the streaks gone and it just makes a better finish. I wanted to take all my recipes that I use in the morning, midday, afternoon, and put them inside of the cupboard rather than having a big cluttery thing on my wall. So, and I can actually clean it now. So that actually worked out pretty good. I like that a lot. This place is our only place that really gets a pounding from our family. Everything goes there. If you don't know what to put it, it goes there. If it's clutter, it goes there. If it's newspaper, mail, dishes, you name it, everything goes there. Do you have one of those spots in your house where just the stuff piles up? This is the place for us. So, I always dread going through everything. It's always the last thing that I want to do on my to-do list, but if I tackle it while I'm cleaning the kitchen, then it works out pretty well.
Let's be free, just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
My husband was super nice to save all the pumpkin seeds for me from Halloween and all the pumpkins that we carved. I'm not into eating pumpkin seeds at the time, so I just have to put it in a bag and wait till I'm ready to eat them, but he was way nice to do that for me.
Ain't no one stopping you.
After most things and countertops are wiped off and all the crumbs are on the floor, it's time to sweep. I think I sweep every other day, but I do a deep cleaning sweep on Saturdays. It's amazing how many crumbs accumulate from our 7 family members.
Where you are, where you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do.
Okay, I have a little system when it comes to my fridge because it is stainless steel. It does scratch. If you use the wrong kind of rag on it, you're going to definitely scratch it up. So microfiber cloths are the best things to use, and I take 2 of them. One is for deep clean, and I spray that down with some sort of essential oil or some sort of cleaner, not a harsh one, not with the grit, but more of a light one that just disinfects and cleans. And then what I use next is a different microfiber cloth along with glass cleaner, so it shines it up really well and gets all of the things that you want. You know, you want your fridge to be bright and shiny, and really nice looking, not dingy and smeary. So this really helps, and I've noticed that it works really well.
I am all about adventure times. Anywhere the way you smile, like a flash in the universe.
We finally made it to the last thing on our list is mopping. Finally get to the final touches of the kitchen. Mopping is probably my favorite. I absolutely love mopping. It just, the smell that I have in there, it's a Swiffer, is lemongrass scent, and it's just with water. Super yummy, makes the kitchen smell so good. I'm all about smells if you can't tell. But this is me cleaning with the glass cleaner to make everything shiny and bright and feeling awesome, no streaks.
It's quite a lonely world that we're living in, oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Finally, the cleansing of the air, essential oils in the diffuser, and getting all of your candles lit, your candles turned on, and just everything will just smell so good when you're done. You'll feel so accomplished, and everybody will feel awesome inside your home. It will feel really homey and cozy, especially in the fall.